Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The off-road adventure beast, the ultimate expedition vehicle, all DIY build, is a conceptual apex of creativity, talent, and unwavering vision rather than a product from a large factory. This lengthy description describes a fictitious, unique vehicle that was painstakingly created by a committed builder with the express intent of navigating the most difficult and isolated terrains on Earth while offering a comfortable, self-sufficient, and impregnable dwelling. A heavily modified, heavy-duty military or industrial platform, possibly a specially constructed frame made of high-tensile steel, serves as the foundation of this adventure beast instead of a typical truck chassis. Durability and resilience, the ability to tolerate severe torsional pressures and impacts, are the main priorities. In order to deliver a magic carpet ride over rocky paths, deep ruts, and washboard roads, the suspension system would be a completely customized long-travel air or coilover arrangement with a redundancy of parts. Equally sturdy is the powertrain, which consists of a large diesel engine that can run on a range of fuels, a heavy-duty transmission, and a specially made transfer case with several low-range ratios. A set of modular skid plates composed of aluminum and military-grade steel would protect the entire undercarriage. The habitat, or living space, is the focal point of the do-it-yourself project and is a demonstration of the builder's skill. It is a fully customized box with an amazing strength-to-weight ratio and excellent thermal insulation. It is constructed from composite panels, which are a sandwich of foam insulation between sheets of carbon fiber and fiberglass. The interior design is incredibly practical, making the most of every square inch of available space while preserving an open, spacious atmosphere. Energy independence. The car can run on its own energy. High-efficiency solar panels that feed into a sizable lithium-ion battery bank cover the whole roof. No matter the weather, a diesel-powered generator that runs quietly serves as a fail-safe backup, guaranteeing that all systems continue to function. Management of water. The water system is an engineering wonder. For a low center of gravity, the chassis has several large-capacity water tanks for fresh, gray, and black water. The vehicle can safely gather and purify water from natural sources thanks to a multi-stage filtering system that includes UV sterilization, removing the need for external supplies. A completely furnished house. The decor combines unexpected grandeur with tough functionality. There is a full-size refrigerator, plenty of storage, and marine-grade appliances in the kitchen. The sleeping quarters have a cozy queen-size bed, while the living area doubles as an eating area. Comfort in far-off places is guaranteed with a small but fully functional bathroom with a separate shower. This adventure beast has state-of-the-art communication, safety, and navigational equipment. High-speed internet is available everywhere in the world through a satellite communication system, such as Starlink. A 360-degree picture of the environment is provided via an advanced array of external cameras, including infrared and night vision. From tire pressure and fluid levels to engine performance, onboard diagnostics and telemetry systems keep an eye on every facet of the car's health and give the driver real-time information to help them avoid catastrophic breakdowns while driving. The do-it-yourself way. This car's DIY construction is what really makes it unique. One visionary designed and carried out every weld, panel, wire, and piece of cabinetry with great care. This is the realization of a passion endeavor, not a brand. It is the epitome of independence and adventure, a machine designed to take on the world 1 mile at a time.